Hello and welcome to our body scan practice. I'm Lizzie, and I will guide you through our meditation today. In this practice, we're going to pay attention to sensations in the body, trying to notice these without judgment, seeing if we can let our body be, while noticing how it's feeling in the present moment. If you find the practice too uncomfortable or overwhelming, please take care of yourself and stop the practice. You may want to try our movement practice instead. You can modify the pace of the video at any point by hitting pause on your video or audio track. When you're ready to start, find a comfortable sitting position, or you may want to lie down. When you feel comfortable, see if you can let your body relax as much as is available to you right now. You may wish to close your eyes or lower your gaze to focus inwards. We'll start our practice with the bell. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and out. When you're ready, we'll bring our attention to the sensations in our feet. As you breathe in, noticing any sensations in your feet. Warmth, coolness, pain, pressure, or maybe your feet feel neutral. That's fine. We're not trying to change the sensations. Just notice them. On your next inhale, we'll move our attention to our lower legs. As you inhale, noticing any sensations in your lower legs. On the next inhale, bringing our attention to our upper legs, the large muscles at the back and the front of the upper legs. Breathing in, noticing any sensations in your upper legs. As you inhale, bringing our attention to your seat, feeling the pressure of your buttocks on your chair or surface you're lying on. Noticing any sensations in your seat. On the next inhale, we bring our attention to the front of the torso, the belly and the chest. Noticing any sensations in the belly or the chest. When you take your next inhale, we'll bring our attention to the back of the torso. Noticing any sensations of ease, discomfort, or neutrality in the lower back, the middle back, the upper back and shoulders. Seeing if we can notice these sensations without judgment. Bringing our attention to the top of the shoulders, the right and the left. Feeling the weight of our arms hanging by our sides or resting on the surface you're lying down on. Breathing in, bringing our attention to the upper arms. Noticing any sensations in the upper arms. As you inhale, bringing your attention to the lower arms, between the elbow and the wrist. Noticing any sensations in the lower arms. On your next inhale, feeling your hands resting in space. Noticing any sensations in the right hand and the left hand. On your next inhale, bringing our attention to the neck, to the throat and the back of the neck. Noticing any sensations there, trying not to judge these as good or bad. They just are. As you inhale, bringing your attention to the face, feeling any sensations in the face, in the jawline, the back of the head, noticing any sensations in your head. Now we'll move our attention back down through the body, the head, the neck, the shoulders, the right arm, the left arm, the back of the torso and the front of the torso. Bringing our attention to our seat and pelvis, the right leg and the left leg, back to our feet, the soles of our feet grounded into the earth or resting on the surface you're lying on. In a few moments, we'll ring the bell to close our practice together. Take a moment to gently open your eyes or raise your gaze. Maybe you'd like to stretch your body, gently bringing yourself back to the room you're in. You may wish to thank yourself for taking the time to practice mindfulness, perhaps inviting the possibility of bringing this attention to the present moment with you throughout the rest of your day. If you wish to extend your practice, feel free to try the breathing meditation or movement meditation practice.